Hello, welcome to this week of AT Fridays. It's OT Cameron, and this week I'm talking about the Memorable 3. So this is a visual orientation alarm clock by a company called MedPage Limited, and it's geared towards those with dementia or cognitive or memory impairments, and it has some nice features for those with low vision as well. But basically the coolest feature is it allows for family members or members of the care team to upload files that they've taken, whether it's video, audio or images that are important to the person, and turn them into prompts for alarms. These can be transferred onto the device remotely. It is a subscription service to be able to access it remotely, but it's definitely a lot more convenient. And really it's a big improvement from the Memorable 2, which required the person to transfer files from an SD card directly into the device or from a USB. Now you've still got the option of doing that with this if you're not interested in paying for the subscription service, but it just does take a little bit more time because you're doing it manually using the touchscreen. Now another change between this and the previous model is you were restricted to about 20 files on the Memorable 2, whereas this has unlimited, so you can go really wild with how many prompts that you're trying to set for the person. It is $100 more expensive than the last model, so this one is $460. But in my opinion, it's the usability and it's worth the extra $100. I think it's less clunky. But I'll quickly show you what one of the pre-downloaded files looks like. So this one comes with about 100 files that you can use to create alarms, which is important in case your client or you're not interested in making any customized alarm. Alright, so I'll just go through some of the display options first. There's lots to choose from, and you can also lock the display if you need to. And there's lots of different color contrast options, so you can have a look through there. And then basically to create custom alarms, it's quite intuitive. There's an inbuilt tutorial, and then to look at alarms that you've already created, you just need to go here, and then your whole list will be here. Like I said earlier, it's unlimited how many alarms that you can set. And I'm just going to quickly edit and preview. I've selected a chime, which is optional, but here I've said it's time to brush your teeth, and you could change this to be a video of you brushing your teeth or reminding somebody to shave. So it's quite cool. I should mention as well, the subscription service costs $100 per annum after the first year. But yeah, that's it, the Memorable 3. Have a happy Friday when you're watching this, and I'll see you next time.